Hello everyone, I am Brianna and welcome to my channel. The Rosey Life Fall Mystery Box is here and I can't wait to share what's inside. I ordered this in the summer, so I have been waiting a long time to get this. I knew it was going to come in the fall, so it's not like I have been like, okay, come on, what's taking so long? I knew I had to wait when I ordered it, but I am so excited. I peeked at the box. I haven't looked at the stickers or anything, but everything else I kind of peeked. I was so excited. I couldn't wait. This box, it is fall, but it is also very pink. So if pink is your color, you are going to love this box. Let me just take out the paper. This was a cute card. It's actually a postcard. You can send it to your friends or family just to say hello and give some cheer in the fall season. So I like that. It's super cute. So this was attached, but I ripped it open because I needed to see all of it. So here is the first look. I'm sorry about my light. It is kind of dark here, so I need to have this light on. Maybe when the sun starts to shine through that window, I can turn it off. But let me take everything out of this box so that I can go through it all with you without having this big box in the way. So I'm just going to drop it here on the ground and pull all of this up. Okay. So here is a clip. And I feel like this is a theme, you guys. This kind of a clip is in a lot of the boxes, but they are different. This clip, I know that it started out with this kind of a backing, but I feel like it's sturdier when it's the whole thing moving like this. So I really like this. It's super, super cute. And it's actually super heavy, so it's good quality. It will definitely keep your pages open. All right, we have a stamp. And when does it start? Let's see. Like, does it say? I don't know when it starts, but it's in like 2033. Like, it has all of those dates on there. So super cute. You can stamp the date on your page. Here is a pouch. Like, let me take it out. It has Rosey Life's little symbol there. It's just a basic pencil pouch. Very cute. You can just slip it right in your bag. And then these, I'm seeing an eraser on the top. So are they, okay, so they are pens. I am assuming I'm going to take this off. Put that there. Just gonna grab this back and see. I should probably grab paper instead. That is not a good idea. Let me see if I have... Okay, I just have like random paper here. So let's see. And then, is it erase? Sorry for the shaking, you guys. Okay, erasable pens. That is what these are. All right, we have a planner charm. This looks cute. Just a bunch of pumpkins and they will dangle. These, I think, are her cards. This one says grateful, sweater weather. Okay. Encouragement there. Okay, are these bits of ephemera? It looks like it. I am not going to open it all. Actually, I am going to open it. I'm going to open it because I want to see if they're like sticky, you know, if you can peel the backs off, because that is a big benefit. Oh yes, they are. Okay, so good. So that makes it really easy to add all of these elements to your pages. Look how cute these are. I love it. Love it, love it. And then these look like just old papers. Cute. Okay, so you get a lot of those. You definitely will not run low on ephemera and little elements for your page. Okay, and then these, I thought this was like a notepad at first, but then I saw that, oh no, it is a notepad. It tricked me because it looked like it was kind of to the side. You see how it's, I just thought they were all loose, but this is this individual papers that you can write on, you can toss after you write your note, or you can paste them right into your planner. Super cute. And then these look like they are bigger stickers. This is so fun. Okay. I'm like, I can't wait to get into this pile here. Hello, pumpkin spice latte season. And there's your pumpkin spice latte. Pumpkin spice and all things nice. Oh, fall, it's nice to see you again. Yes, it is. I love fall. Tea, books, and a cozy nook. Cute. Okay. Before I go into this, I want to just share some of these washi tapes that you get. So cute. Now these, look at these, all are the same, just a different color. So this is more pink, this is more mauve, and then we have gold. So that is super cute. And that would pair well with any of these washi strips here. Well, they're not strips or rolls, but you can make a strip on your page. I like that. This is really cute. The sweater yarn look. And then this is pet tape. And I feel like I want to open this so that we can see the pattern. I like this one. It seems like they are smaller images. This one definitely looks like they are bigger images, but I am using such a small planner now that those bigger images, they're hard to use on my page unless they are just like something to throw down when I don't have anything planned. You know, because sometimes you just have like a rest day or you are on vacation or something and you don't really need to plan. These are gorgeous. Absolutely stunning. I really like this shade of pink. Linda did a very good job on this. So I'm wondering between, you know, my Cocoa Daisy items that I have and all of these, I just have, I mean, I think, and the October box from the Rosey Life. I mean, I am set for the fall. I have way more than enough pieces for my pages. I am so excited to try to mix all of them somehow. I need to figure that out, but it's exciting. I actually just need to find time now to sit and play with my planners because that has been the problem. I have been so busy. Okay, let's see. That I hardly have time to sit down and just create fun pages. Okay, so these, let's see if I can find the tape. I'm just gonna take the tape off and I'll put it back on. So you see how these are just really big stickers? I think they are so pretty, but it is hard for me to use these in my planner. Oh, look how cute. Little pink pumpkins in the pickup. Okay, and I think that was that it? Yes. Okay, so this house is where it repeats again. So this is what you get, and then it ends up repeating. So you have enough for years and years to come, and you don't have to be stingy on your stickers because there are more of it. I know that sometimes we get stuck where we're like, I don't want to use that yet. So this, with all of the multiple stickers in here, you don't have to worry about that. Okay, I'm gonna put that to the side. And these are, oh look, a cute little, oh, I bet you this is a magnet. Yep, a little pumpkin magnet. Oh, I'm gonna add that to my planner right now. I think this is adorable. Let's see. Just put it right here for now, and I can move it around. But look how cute. I might change that card. Adorable. Okay. Now I'm like trying to save the best for last. I want to go through all these papers, these little vellums. Okay, so this is the first one that you get. And then you get this one. Just a repeated pattern. And those cute little pink pumpkins. Some plaid. Okay, and then these are, again, these are A5 because when I ordered this in the summer, I was still in an A5. So you're going to hear me say that for a couple of videos. But December's, I actually have transferred over to a B6 size. And then these you could tip into your planner. It just adds, you know, it adds bulk, but it also adds decor. Super cute. Okay, on to stickers. This is my favorite part. I love Linda's stickers. They're super delicate, but they look so good on, especially the sterling ink paper. I don't know. I haven't really tried them on anything else. Well, yeah, it's always sterling ink that I've tried them on. So these are those like pattern papers. They're sticky and they're tearable. You can tear them. I did that in my last video where it's like, they're not terrible. They just tear. And then you can just add cute little elements to your page. And then the Cozy Fall 2.0 stickers. Now again, well, I shouldn't say again because I said this on my last video, but you can use my code Brianna15 for any individual items in the Rosey Life's shop. It won't work towards like themed kits like this, but once she puts the individual items in the shop, you can use my code. I have like glue or something on my nail from like the packages. So you can use my code for that. You can't use it for like the monthly kits, but or like planners, but anything that is like sold separately, you can use my code. Look how pretty. I love it. Okay. Another thing is I was kind of worried about the whole tariff thing in the USA, and I know I'm gonna keep ordering from Linda, and I'm like, I just can't stop the Rosey Life. I love everything that she creates. It is so cute, and it just looks good on your page. Look at that. I love it. Oh, this is fun. Okay, so these are, look at, gold foiled little sayings. I love it. Oh, that's fun. And then animals and girls. Little hearts. I like those steps. Cute. And then this one here. Adorable. I'm like, she did it again. She always outdoes herself. I can't wait to use all of this and put the stickers on my planner and all the things. So if you've ever thought about getting a mystery box, this is an example of what you get. I mean, you actually get quite a few things, and I feel like it's fun. It's worth the surprise, because you know that the items, you know, are going to be able to be used in your planner, and it just is fun when you don't know what's in it. It's like a little surprise. But anyways, if you guys have any questions, let me know. I thank you for supporting me and watching my videos. I hope that you all have a wonderful rest of your day, and we'll talk soon. Bye, you guys.